You've probably seen it hundreds of times. You walk into a hotel room, the bed looks perfectly made, the pillows are fluffed, the sheets are spotless, and then there's that strange strip of fabric stretched across the foot of the bed. Not a blanket, not a towel, just a narrow piece of cloth. Most people assume it's there for decoration, but that's only part of the story. That seemingly useless piece of fabric actually serves several clever purposes, some of which you probably use without even realizing it. Let's take a closer look. That strip of fabric is called a bed runner. And while it does make the room look more elegant, hotels didn't start using it just to impress guests. It solves a surprisingly practical problem. Think about what most people do when they first enter a hotel room. They place their suitcase on the bed, or they sit down to take off their shoes. Sometimes they toss a backpack, shopping bags, or even a jacket onto the mattress. The problem? Those items are usually much dirtier than the freshly washed bedding. Shoes can carry dust, mud, bacteria, and debris from streets and airports. Suitcases roll through sidewalks, hotel lobbies, train stations, and baggage belts. The last place hotels want all that dirt is on the white duvet. That's where the bed runner comes in. Instead of placing your belongings directly on the bedding, you're more likely to put them on the darker strip of fabric. Because bed runners are made from durable materials and darker colors, they hide stains better and are easier to clean or replace than an entire duvet cover. It's a simple way to keep the main bedding looking fresh for longer. But that's not its only purpose. Many guests also use the runner while eating room service. Imagine enjoying breakfast in bed. Crumbs, coffee drips, a little jam or chocolate. Instead of risking stains on bright white sheets, the bed runner provides a more forgiving surface near the foot of the bed. Hotels know accidents happen. The runner helps minimize the damage. It even serves another unexpected role. When guests want to lie down without getting completely under the covers, they'll often rest their feet on top of the bed. Instead of dirty socks or bare feet touching the clean duvet, the runner acts as a protective barrier. Again, it's a small detail that helps keep the bedding cleaner between housekeeping visits. And of course, there's the design aspect. Hotels spend a lot of time creating a room that feels luxurious and memorable. A colorful bed runner adds contrast to an otherwise all-white bed. It can match the curtains, artwork, carpets, or furniture, tying the entire room together. Some luxury hotels even customize runners with patterns or colors that reflect their brand. It's an easy way to make a room look more upscale without changing the bedding itself. What's fascinating is that most guests never think about any of this. The runner quietly does its job, protecting the bed, reducing laundry costs, making the room look better, and encouraging cleaner habits, all without anyone noticing. It's one of those design choices that's hiding in plain sight. So the next time you check into a hotel and see that strip of fabric across the bed, you'll know it's much more than decoration. It's a clever combination of hygiene, practicality, and design. A small detail that helps hotels keep thousands of rooms cleaner every single day. And once you know its purpose, you'll probably never throw your suitcase directly onto the white sheets again.